Hi everyone, so today I am doing a perfume unboxing, and this is from Dillard's. This is what I purchased and this is what it looks like. So these are my invoices for the 3 fragrances I received. So I just had to reorder this Miss Dior, and so it all came really nice, packed, wrapped, and this is the Chance Chanel, and it is in the Eau de Parfum in the 3.4 ounce. And I forgot to show you the other one. So yeah, and the next one I reordered was this one, and it is the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute, and also in the 3.0 ounce and the Eau de Parfum. And with it I received this gift, and it is a Versace purse, fragrance purse, and this is what it looks like. And here's a little coin purse, gold. So it's a large tote, and like I said, this is what I got. And with my purchase, they had a promotion that if you spent $100, you could receive a $25 gift reward certificate that looks like that. And so for my next purchase, although this does need to be used by January 23rd of 2021, and it says valid in-store on in-store purchases only. So yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a review. I know I've done the review for the Miss Dior and the Versace, so I think next I will be doing the Chance Chanel review. And I just want to show you guys really fast what this looks like, in case you haven't seen my other videos. And that is what it looked like. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye.